To install FEFLOW, navigate to the FEFLOW download page on the Mic Powered by DHI website and click the Download button. Once the download is complete, unzip the file and open the Windows folder. Then right-click on the start.exe file and run it as an administrator. There are 4 steps to install FEFLOW. The first step is only necessary if you would like to program with the FEFLOW IFM and C++ plugins. In this case, you need to install Visual Studio before FEFLOW. The second step is necessary for everyone. These are the main FEFLOW packages. The third step is to install demo data, and the fourth one allows you to install a local version of online help in case you don't have a stable internet connection. You'll also get access to documentation, example animations, and tutorial screencasts. Also, if you need to use FEPest to calibrate groundwater models, you will need to install the third-party software called Pest. Today, we'll install the main program only. Click FEFLOW Program Files and select Yes to check for any updates. Carefully read through the license agreement and legal notice and accept the terms to move on to the next step. Then, select the license type. If you don't know what kind of license you have, you can skip this step and complete it later. Next, decide which packages you need. Packages can be modified after installation. If you're not sure which packages you'll need, you can always install all the packages at this step and remove what you don't need later. Here, you can also install WGEO for map georeferencing tasks. Follow the rest of the setup prompts, and once the installation is finished, you'll be ready to use FEFLOW.